Here's the problem. I can't hear my oven. I can think of a couple solutions to this. Number one, I could take out the earbuds. It's a very simple and normal solution, but obviously I'm wearing them for a reason. I have other things I would like to listen to most of the time. Number two, I could have a standalone timer. It's not part of the oven. It could be louder or alert me in some other way, but that only handles the timer. I would also like to know when it's done preheating. Number three, I could just have a microphone listening for beeps. Probably catch everything I need, but what if it doesn't? I'm worried about fallback behavior. Which leads me to number four, my actual plan: point a camera at it. In theory, I should be able to read the oven state this way, and trigger alerts as needed. I can even trigger an alert when it fails to read the state. It's maybe a little bit silly, but I think it's actually going to work. I think it's going to improve my life, and at the very least, it should be fun to try. So I bought a cheap webcam, removed the housing, and stuck it to the wall. Now on to the image processing. The display is a black box on a white surface near the center of the image. Using this fact, we can extract it for further processing. The resolution is rather disappointing, but like I said, it was cheap. Regardless, it seems to be enough to identify the numbers by probing a few points. Alright, so in theory, if I turn this to preheat, it should... Yes! Okay. I can detect preheating. And then when it finishes... Nice! Alright, I've now updated to include a number, so I should be able to start a timer. And there we go. It's counting down as expected. Nice. And then if I stop it, it should go back. Cool. Now that's one version of the story. In reality, it wasn't quite that smooth. I forgot about 10 o'clock. Alright, it thinks 10 o'clock is the timer. We'll need to look at that. I'm not going to include this bit. Oh. That's wrong. What? What is this? Yeah, that breaks it. Ultimately, I think that's fine. I'm not going to be using the oven in the dark anyway. Oh. That's not a good look. Is that blood filling or blood? Am I bleeding? My life is better because I have a camera pointed at my oven. Probably a little burnt. That's not the timer's fault. If I actually knew what I was doing, I could probably watch it rather than relying on that timer. I might know what golden brown means. But, this was never about being a good baker. It was about being lazy.